Are you still looking for ways to get free bits in 2022? The bigwigs on Amazon took away watch ads for free bits, so what are you supposed to do? Well, take a deep breath. Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free bits by using Twitch RPG. Also, if you guys enjoy these videos, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out as a YouTuber. Thanks again, you guys. What's up, you guys? My name's CalmCoolSavage, and you're watching CCS TV. So one of the last known ways to get free bits on Twitch is by using Twitch RPG. Twitch RPG is a website with over 60,000 plus members of the Twitch community who provide insights about the brand in exchange for bits, Twitch's digital currency. It's your choice whether or not you want to sign up, but I'm going to tell you this right now before you go any further in the video. You must be 18 years old. Once you sign up with Twitch RPG, you'll get a few reminders a month telling you that you got surveys available. And with these surveys, you can make 100 to 500 to even 1,000 bits. Twitch RPG only gives the free bits to the first 25 members that click on the link, and each survey takes about 5 to 15 minutes to do. So I've been using Twitch RPG for a couple years, and I got probably over just about 10,000 bits for free. A lot of people say, yo, CalmCoolSavage, this is a scam. Yo, CalmCoolSavage, it doesn't work. But I can show you that it 100% works in the year 2022. Here's a screenshot of all the Twitch RPG emails that I've gotten recently. The most recent one was on June 22nd, and sometimes you get one survey a month, but sometimes you'll get 3 surveys a month. And you can also see all the surveys that I haven't done. So there's some proof that Twitch RPG does send the emails out. Now let me show you some proof of the payout. Here's a screenshot of the inbox on my Twitch profile. It says you have received 100 bits from the Twitch Research Power Group. Check your bits balance. This was 2 days ago. This is how you'll know that you get the free bits. And I almost forgot the most important thing. When you sign up with Twitch RPG, you're going to want to sign up with the same email you did when you signed up with your Twitch. So that being said, you're probably wondering right now, yo, CalmCool, how do I sign up with Twitch RPG? Well, let me tell you. Now to sign up with Twitch RPG, go to rpg.twitch.tv/hub. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description. Once you're on this front page, you're going to want to go down to join our community right below. Next thing you're going to want to do is click on join now. When you're ready, go ahead and click next to get started. Select your current country and follow the steps to create your account. One thing to be noted is that this doesn't work in some countries outside the US. So once you're done, go to your email address and confirm your Twitch RPG account. Log into Twitch RPG and you're going to see this front page. You're going to want to scroll down, and once you get some surveys, they're going to pop up where it says latest activities. You may or may not have surveys in here because sometimes they don't start coming till 30 days after your sign up. Now, some people say that Twitch RPG is out of date, but if you look here, you can see that some of these posts are pretty recent from 2022. And there you have it. This is one of the last known ways on how to get free bits on Twitch. Now take this information, go spread some love, and give your favorite streamer some free Twitch cheers. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. Also, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I just do a little variety gaming over there. If anybody's interested, come on over, drop a follow, and say hi in the chat. A lot of you guys who watch my videos enjoy these tips and tricks, streamer support type videos, so I'm going to be making more of these videos coming in the next months. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, keep it calm, keep it cool, and keep it savage, and I'll see you in the next one.